Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to fix and optimize your Wix mobile site. First, open your web browser, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Next, open the website you want to edit in the Wix editor. Once in the editor, click the mobile icon at the top of the screen to switch from desktop view to mobile view. This lets you see exactly how your site appears on a phone. Now, check for any elements that look out of place or don't function correctly, such as large text, misaligned images, or small buttons. Adjust these by moving, resizing, or hiding elements as needed to create a smooth mobile experience. After making your adjustments, click Preview to navigate your site as a visitor would and ensure everything looks and works perfectly. Finally, click Publish to make your optimized mobile site live. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your Wix mobile site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.